That grinding sound from your brakes could bankrupt you. Most people ignore brake noises until it's too late. But here's what mechanics don't tell you. When brake pads wear down, your stopping distance increases by up to 50%. That extra 2 seconds could mean the difference between a close call and a $20,000 lawsuit. Worn brakes create a chain reaction. First, the pads grind down. Then rotors get damaged. Heat builds up faster. Your car becomes a financial liability. The average brake pad replacement costs $300. But rear-ending someone because your brakes failed? Insurance claims average $15,000. Plus lawyer fees. Plus increased premiums. Plus potential injury lawsuits. Smart money managers treat car maintenance like investing. Small costs now prevent massive losses later. Those grinding sounds are your car literally burning money. Replace brake pads every 25,000 miles. Check them during oil changes. Never ignore warning sounds. Your bank account will thank you when you avoid that first accident. Follow for more money-saving tips.